Hey, it's me, Steve. It is June 5th, 2017. Time is 16:53. I'm still in the process of building my shed, but I thought I'd get a quick Geo-Rant in here since I'm driving home from work. I'm just going to talk briefly today about what we call host rock in geology, because somebody actually asked me about this. Because I use the term a lot. I haven't really in Geo-Rants, but I do write it a lot, and I don't really explain it. I just kind of assume people know what I'm talking about, which is bad. It's one of those things I should define that I don't. Okay, this is what a host rock is. We usually only refer to it when it comes to igneous and metamorphic rocks. Host rock is basically the main part of a body of rock, usually an outcrop. Okay, like say you have a rock that is almost all granite. Let's just say it's a gray granite, okay? And you're looking at it and you see the internal structures within it, the foliations, some minor foliation, not a lot, but a little bit. Foliations are nothing special. They're part of the host rock because they're part of that granite, the majority of what that rock is. So what is not host rock is probably easier to explain than what is host rock. Take that same granite with its minor foliations in it, whatever, and say it's cross-cut by huge dikes of syenite, red syenite, and then say that, that there might, okay, we'll stick with that for right now. Okay, those huge veins of red syenite are not part of the host rock. They form separately. They form later. They're cross-cutting it. Okay, so you can talk about the syenite and say the red syenite is within the host rock of this granite. See, that's how it works. Anything that's actually physically part of the host rock that formed along with it stays with the host rock. Like things like I said, foliations within the host rock, or phenocrysts within the host rock. Those are all parts of the host rock. What is not would be anything, like I said, dikes or other intrusions within intrusions, or a metasedimentary layer in between something or on top of, so there's a minor bit of it. That would be separate from the host rock. Anything like when we sit there and talk about quartz veins in a igneous or metamorphic rock, we'll take the Michigami slate, for example. It has a lot of quartz veins in it. Those quartz veins are not part of the host rock, and the reason why they are not is because they likely formed from hydrothermal activity after metamorphism. They're secondary. That's what we call secondary, and that's a rant for another time. But anyway, that's just a quick description of what host rock is, and I hope you learned something.